Hello everybody. Let's check if it's working right now, if the microphone is working. If you can hear me, if you can see my screen, let me know in the chat, guys. So guys, welcome to the second live stream of today. We already did one earlier today talking about breaking the uptrending support, right? And yeah, right now we are breaking that support, so that is the reason why I want to do a quick live stream right now with you guys. So let's have a look how many people are entering the stream right now. We have 2 people watching. I think that it's actually going slow, and I'm not really sure how my connection is at the moment. I hope it is good. So everybody, if you can hear me clearly, if you can see the screen, let me know down below, or let me know in the chat. That would be awesome. Would be really awesome, guys. So yeah, Bitcoin broke below the uptrending support, which we have been talking about earlier today, right? We said, yeah, there is a high probability that we are going to break it. We are seeing some bearish signals. Now we broke it, and we are seeing an increase in the amount of volume. So this is actually looking quite bearish for Bitcoin in the immediate short-term time frame. Hello, everybody. Hello, Tom. Hello, Tony. Hello, everybody. So guys, first of all, before we are jumping into the charts, make sure you scroll below this live stream, hit the like. Let's check if we can get a lot of people more than this midday right now in this live stream. That would be great. And yeah, I've shared it over my Twitter. Right now we have how many people watching? 6 people, which is quite less than we had yesterday. I'm not sure how the connection is right now. Is the connection good? Is everything all right? Can everybody see everything clearly, and can everybody hear me clearly and so on? Just let me know in the chat room. Hello there, hello there. So guys, right now Bitcoin broke out to the downside, but it looks like we also breaking the support of the middle of the channel right here. And yeah, we are seeing some lower levels, right? We even could come down to the bottom of the channel, or test the bottom we have been setting right here. Then the major support levels, we are looking at the major support levels below us are the 50,500 level. Below that is the approximately $45,000 level, and below that we have the $40,500 level. So approximately, talking about this midday in the live stream as well, which I'm watching as huge support levels. But right now, Bitcoin breaking below this uptrending support is definitely bearish for the short-term time frame, for the short-term future of Bitcoin. Bitcoin possible to 50,000? I think yes, it's definitely possible. It's definitely possible. Yeah, we could see something like this. Very good live streaming. Okay, awesome. So guys, how many people right now in the stream? Come on, let's everybody drop a like down below. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. Let's get as much engagement so new people can tune in on the live stream as well. I get a signal right here from YouTube. I'm not sure. The internet sometimes in Indonesia, one time is faster than the other time, and I have the feeling that right now it's not it's not that fast. It's lacking a little bit. I have the feeling. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's the case. So yeah, guys. What's up? So this is also the Sunday breakout, right? We often see breakouts happening on Sunday. It might be because on Sunday there's less volume over weekends. So it is possible that that's the reason on Sunday we are seeing breakouts, because when there's less volume, there's also less volume needed to actually for the price to break out. We have been looking at the BitMEX funding rate, and the BitMEX funding rate was negative, also indicating could indicate selling pressure. That's not a certainty. That's not a water solid indicator, but it's definitely another signal which could strengthen a certain scenario, right? And we saw a extreme measure in the extreme reading in the funding rate to the upside, which means that the majority was long Bitcoin. So yeah, it made sense to break out to the downside. I think it made sense to break out to the downside. I actually expected, to be honest, I expected a little bit bigger bounce right here before we were to break this uptrending support. We quite quickly, we just touched the level, had a very small bounce of approximately, what is it, give or take, like 1, maximum 2%, and we broke below the, broke below the uptrending support. And right now you can see it's actually quite interesting, but the middle of the channel is showing already some significance, right? So yeah, it's already showing some significance. We could be seeing a bounce from that. That is possible. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know. No sound, mate. Working now. Okay, good. It's fine. I think it's a fake out. Should I buy now? Shaking out the weak hands. I think now is a good buy. Guy, breakout not confirmed. Yeah. Okay, maybe the breakout is not confirmed yet. Indeed, it can still result in a fake out. That's possible. But if you make the checklist, guys, with what is happening, then yeah, for me, this definitely looks like a breakout. We break a uptrending support. We get a reaction in the price, so we get a drop. The moment we broke out from the support, we got a drop of, directly a drop of 2.5%, which is a reaction in the price. Right, that is what we want to see, and normally that comes along with increased amounts of volume, which we are seeing as well, a volume spike, and it's not that big maybe than, like, for example, right here or right here, but it might be because it is Sunday, so yeah, the volume is a little bit lower, but we are seeing an increase in the volume. So it is very interesting, guys. And yeah, the bigger close we get below this uptrending support, the bigger the confirmation, right? So if we, let's say, would go to the, let's go to the 4-hour time frame, the pattern is more visible there as well. Then we have a more clear rising wedge pattern right here. And yeah, right now we clearly broke below the support, right? But if we get a 4-hourly close below the support, and that is a further indication showing us that most likely we will see a continuational drop right here to the downside. It's going to be very interesting, guys, to see where Bitcoin is actually going to get supported from. I think that this correction can be quite a correction, because we have had a huge rally in the price of Bitcoin, and we have some bearish signs as well, right? We had bearish divergences on the daily time frame, bearish divergences on the weekly time frame. So those were some worrying signals that we were seeing, so which could indicate some momentum behind this drop, right? If we're seeing a bearish divergence and we break the support, we have more certainty that there is some bearish momentum, selling pressure coming along with the price dropping. So yeah, that is actually quite interesting. What do you guys think? Do you think this is going to be a small drop and we're just going to continue this uptrend? Or do you think we might correct a little bit further to the downside? I think most importantly is the lows right here. What do you think, guys? Are we going to break below these levels at approximately, what is it, 54,250 approximately? If we break below those levels, I definitely think we can visit the 50,000 levels, guys. What do you think? What do you think, guys? Let me know. Let me know, guys. Where's everybody from? I'm right now in Indonesia. It's 6 o'clock right here in the evening. I just was at the moment going out to dinner with my girlfriend. But then suddenly I saw, because this midday we were actually we had a very nice live session right here on YouTube. I thought, why not do a quick session right now when Bitcoin is breaking out? Just have a quick talk with all of you guys. Good day, Joe from Indonesia. Hello. 50% drop, I reckon, will happen, then bounce. I don't trust any weekend breakouts anymore. HODL and dollar average for me. Yeah, that's of course a very good strategy. I understand weekend breakouts are a little bit sketchy. I do understand that. For example, right here, let's see, was that a weekend? What was it? 28th of February. Can somebody check if the 28th of February was a weekend? But here we also had a 4-hourly close below the support. So yeah, it is possible, of course, to get a fake out right here. But right now, the first signals that I'm seeing, it's not directly looking like a fake out to me. But yeah, you always should consider the scenario. What does this mean for altcoins? Very good question. Very good question. We are going to have a look at that. Germany, welcome. Canada, bro. UK. Let's wait a few hours. Yeah, of course. Let's not panic too much right now. Can we have a look at ETH BTC? Yeah, we could do that. In a bit. Let's have a look first at Bitcoin dominance. Okay, wait, before we are jumping into the Bitcoin dominance chart, how many people are watching the stream right now? We got 103 people watching the stream. If everybody of that 103 people can give a thumbs up down below, that would be awesome, guys. Type in the chat from which country you are and leave a thumbs up down below, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. That would be awesome, and yeah, we will get more people right here in this live stream. So yeah, let's first go to the Bitcoin dominance. What kind of effect does this have on altcoins? So when we have a look at the Bitcoin dominance, then the Bitcoin dominance is decreasing. And normally that is something we could see in the shorter term time frame. So when Bitcoin is dumping, like in the shorter term time frame, or like directly, we could see a decrease of the Bitcoin dominance because Bitcoin liquidity is leaving, right? What's important is what is happening after in the next hours. If in the next hours this is going to continue to drop, which means that we have more certainty that liquidity is being that people are taking profits from Bitcoin into altcoins, then that could definitely be a good sign of might be a nice altcoin season. We have been drawing this horizontal box right here this midday. This is a box which has been showed a lot of significant support and resistance in the past, and if we were to break below that box, as you can see right here, I expect a further drop in the Bitcoin dominance, which basically means altcoin season, right? Liquidity from in the complete crypto markets will be more divided into altcoins than just being concentrated in Bitcoin. So yeah, guys, that would be actually very, very bullish for altcoins if we were to break the support right here in the Bitcoin dominance. 28th February was a Sunday too. Okay, so it is possible, guys. It's still possible. We are seeing a fake out. However, the first signals that we are seeing right now is not yet really showing a fake out, right? We don't have a bullish divergence yet. We can have a look at that actually. I haven't looked at all the time frames, but we don't have a bullish divergence yet, as of we know. And yeah, we have seen after the break, we have seen some increase in the volume and so on, and we are respecting the middle of the channel right now. Let's have a look at the RSI. Let's bring it up. Oh, that's the double RSI. Yeah, so yeah, guys, we also have no bullish divergence on the 1 hour. So normally if we would set a lower low, that could be a fake out, right? Then it would be nice to at least see a higher low in the RSI, which is showing bullish momentum right in the price of Bitcoin. But we are not seeing that. So yeah, that is something to worry about, I would say. So far, it looks like a legit breakout. But yeah, we're also testing a interesting level, a horizontal support level right here, which is showing confluence with the middle of the channel, right? We got some bounces off in the past. It acted as resistance the moment we broke. We were trading below it. So yeah, we might be in for a bounce in the short term time frame. So yeah, guys, so that is definitely possible. So we got somebody from Mexico here. We have somebody from Hong Kong, United States. Awesome, guys. South Africa, Cape Town we have in the building. Okay, awesome. Greek in Cape Town. Really appreciate the info you provide. Thank you. Wow, I really appreciate you saying that, Tamara. Awesome. Coffee. I'm not drinking coffee at the moment. I actually have my girl just brought me a ginger tea, which I really like. And what are you guys drinking? You guys drinking some coffee? ETH had a bullish divergence on the 1 hour. So let's have a look at ETH. But before we have a look at ETH, let's have a look how many people are right now in the stream. We have 111 people. Guys, if everybody can just scroll below this video, hit the thumbs up button, that would be awesome. Subscribe to the channel, make sure to hit the bell icon so you get notified when we are going live and so on. So that would be really amazing, guys. Let's have a look at ETH BTC first. We got that request a couple minutes ago. Let's have a look at that. So yeah, Ethereum in the Bitcoin comparative saw an increase when Bitcoin dumped, right? So yeah, that actually can mean two things. So the first thing it can mean is that people are taking profits, traders are taking profits from Bitcoin into Ethereum, right? If Bitcoin is overheated, overvalued, and if you look at the in comparison to the rest of the cryptocurrency markets. So yeah, people or traders, investors, they can take profits of that Bitcoin into Ethereum, which on the one hand makes sense, but this, guys, what we are seeing right here, this small pump, is not yet a reliable indicator, because sometimes when Bitcoin is dumping, we are seeing in the shorter term time frame the dominance of altcoins increasing due to the fact that people taking profits out of Bitcoin, which means that in the general crypto markets, the Bitcoin dominance will go down. So we don't know yet if it's really profit taking in altcoins. So far it looks like it, but I think the first hours after a Bitcoin dump, it's not very reliable to say that. So we first have to wait like a couple of hours. We need to see some follow through. So maybe after Bitcoin has seen this breakout, maybe some more confirmations, or it's dropping further. Afterwards, we have to see whether the price of Ethereum is going to increase right here, or whether we are seeing when we are seeing Ethereum following Bitcoin, but at a later stage, so that there is a that Ethereum just is following Bitcoin, but not simultaneously, but that there are some hours in between. Sometimes it happens, so that is important to think about as well. Don't draw directly the conclusion that Bitcoin people right now in Bitcoin are taking profits into altcoins. However, it does sound really good that we are season in March, right? Because we have looked at this chart in the midday as well, the Bitcoin dominance chart. March is a month, guys, where we are actually almost always in the past couple of years have seen a altcoin season. So let's go back to the daily time frame right here, and all these all these vertical green boxes represent the month March. And if you have a look, we see right here March into 17 Bitcoin dominance decrease, March to 18